Hello everyone, welcome back to BGM Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Thomas Wooden Railway Light Up Reveal Annie and Clarabel.
My coaches!
Let's see if we can get them out of the box. It's a really cool box. I like it. So I got this at Barnes & Noble. They had one of these left and I'm really happy that I got it. It's a really cool item, actually. These are definitely going to be useful for a series. So it comes with a little pamphlet. Light Up Reveal Annie and Clarabel. I'll angle it down a little bit, let it focus in. And I kind of bent the box trying to get it open, but oh well. We'll put that off to the side. So we'll start with taking a look at Annie. They connect together correctly. So we'll spin this back wheel here, and you can see it lights up inside. It's really cool. Kind of bleeds through the front, but it's not terrible. I like the face on it. It's very accurate to the CGI series. Now, Annie and Clarabel are mostly made out of plastic, but the roofs are at least wood. That's one part of it. Clarabel is the same as Annie, so they both, yes, they both roll along. You can see this one's not quite as bright. It's probably because kids have come along and turned the wheel. But you can fix that. You can keep the instructions to know what battery they take, so that won't be too big of a deal. So if we look, you can see if you see there's like Dowager hat here, some familiar figures probably from the show. There's a Topham hat in this car. The Clarabel doesn't stay on as long. Really cool. Whoops. Nice detailing on the side. Painted on. It's really nice. And I like their new sort of black roofs instead of the white roofs from the original. And now we'll actually take a look and compare the two. So as you can see, Clarabel here, this one's a little bit smaller than the original. This is a 2003-ish Clarabel. Yes, 2003. These should be a, if I can read, 2012. Dated 2012, but post 2015, when they changed up these wheels to make them a little thinner. I'm not sure which face I like better. This one is such a classic face that it's hard to decide. So let me actually get my pointer out here. We can see that this face, her nose is more 3D and it's not just a big line like that. I like that nose a lot better. And they have whites in the eyes. So there are definitely some advantages. The only thing I really don't like is that Annie and Clarabel have the exact same face. They're just sort of... they almost look like they're angled a little bit differently, but it's not bad. Annie, again, the writing's probably bigger on her. Whoops. They're all getting stuck together. This is fun. Getting stuck... as you can see here, Annie's writing is much bigger on here, but I like this one better. It seems a little more accurate, and this color is a lot nicer on the Mattel ones. And Honestly, these are probably some of the best items Mattel has ever released. I think it's a much needed upgrade for these light up reveal versus the original Annie and Clarabel. I'll definitely be switching to these in my series. In the original Annie and Clarabel, I have 2 sets of them. Just become regular, boring old coaches. Well, not boring, but regular old coaches for trains. So I think that's going to do it. So thank you all for watching, and let me know what you thought. Your thoughts on Annie and Clarabel in the comments down below. And